Financial literacy. What is it? Is there any need and importance of it? Hi guys, this is Amit on ComradeCA. I'm making this video on financial literacy so that our generation and the next generation could self-improve on financial literacy. Financial literacy is critical because it equips us with knowledge and skill that we need to manage money effectively. It is one important thing that will impact almost every aspect of our life. Yet many people do not have the knowledge they should have, and even those who do not often share it with their children. Now, sex education, financial literacy is never taught to their children, be it at home, school, or even colleges. Why is literacy important in education? Students need literacy in order to engage with the written word in everyday life. Being able to read and write means being able to keep up with the events, communicate effectively, and understand issues that are shaping our world. We must see, are we literate enough? Why is financial literacy important for teachers and students? Financial literacy simply can be referred to as set of skill and knowledge that allow individuals to make informed and effective decisions with all of their financial resources. It doesn't matter with whatever high financial resource or low financial resource you may have. You must have, or rather develop, such skill and knowledge to take effective decisions. So the point is why financial literacy is important for teachers and students, because teachers' own lack of financial literacy would inhibit in their teaching of financial education in the classroom. How to improve your basic financial literacy? Start doing these 5 things that can improvise your financial literacy. First thing is, subscribe for free financial news, that too from a reliable source. Second, what you can do is, listen to financial podcast. Thirdly, you can start reading books on personal finance. Fourth, start keeping a budget. Fifth, talk to professionals. Finance professionals, obviously. Now, these were the 5 basic things that you can do to improvise your financial literacy gradually. Hey guys, hope you love and like this video on financial literacy. Please do hit the like button. Do show your love and support by subscribing the channel ComradeCA. The next video that I'm going to bring to you is financial literacy at corporate level. Do hit the bell icon so that you will receive the notification of upcoming videos. Until then, this is Amit signing off. Stay motivated, stay connected, and stay healthy. Thanks for watching the video.